Yeah, hi everybody, Dennis here. Thought I'd show you something that I got from Amazon the other day, which is a holder for handheld shower heads. And of course they put the label right across the picture. That doesn't make sense, but whatever. Anyway, this is what you get. Let's go ahead and open this little guy up. And that's it, nothing else in there. And this is a shower mount. And I see that I have some directions here. Let's see if it's in Chinese, Japanese, Korean, or whatever. Clear the position. No, it's also in English. Nice feature. Anyway, I just thought I'd bring that up. But this is pretty good size. And I have a shower head. Okay, goes like that. So it attaches to the wall, and then you put your shower head in there, and of course you can see what it does because you're on the listing right now. But this you can hear the clicks. This angles, and that's what I'm looking for. Let's get my finger in there. That's very stylish, very nice. Heavy-duty plastic. This is not going to break anytime soon. My biggest concern is that it's going to stay on my shower wall because I have a fiberglass shower wall, and it should be okay if I clean it off real good and stick it up there. And it says on the directions to don't put the shower head on here for at least 2 to 4 hours. Well, that kind of makes sense. Anyway, I see my head's kind of chopped off there. Sorry, my bad. Okay, let me move that up here. Oh, my, there we go. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. Looks like it's pretty cool, and I thought you'd like to see that. Oh, also, there's a little rubber washer in here, that little stabilizer, it says in the directions, to keep it from shaking around when the shower is going, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how that works out. So anyway, hopefully that helps, and I'll talk to you later.